In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a stopwatch in Google Sheets. Start by opening a Google Sheet, either a new blank sheet or one you already use for tracking work. Across the top row, set up 4 simple headers. In column A, type task name. In column B, type start time. In column C, type end time. In column D, type duration. This layout keeps everything organized and makes it easy to time multiple tasks on separate rows. Next, you will add a formula that calculates how long each task took. Click into cell D2, which is the first duration cell under your header. Paste in this formula exactly as written. $IF, B2 Mike Sive, C2 Mike Sive, C2 B2. This formula is designed to stay clean while you work. If there is no start time yet, it shows nothing. If there is a start time but no end time, it also stays blank. As soon as both times exist, it subtracts the start from the end and returns the time difference. After you enter the formula, copy it down the duration column for as many rows as you need. You can drag the small square in the lower right corner of the D2 cell down the column, so each row calculates its own duration automatically. Now format the duration column so it displays correctly. Select column D, then go to the top menu and choose Format, then Number, then More Formats, and then Duration. This formatting is important because it ensures your elapsed time is treated as a real duration value. It also helps hours continue counting correctly even if a task runs long. With the setup finished, you can use the timestamp shortcut to mimic a stopwatch. When you are ready to start a task, click the correct cell in column B on that task's row, then press Ctrl+Shift+Semicolon on Windows or Command+Shift+Semicolon on Mac. This inserts the current time and locks it in as a fixed value. When you finish the task, click the matching cell in column C and use the same shortcut. The end time will lock in, and the duration cell in column D will instantly calculate the total time. To reuse a row later, clear the start and end time cells in columns B and C, and the duration will reset as well. That covers everything you need to know.